Hi guys, this is Mark Magnificent.
Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire.
Yep. Again, the counter left, who has a big height and reach advantage, stays on the outside. Nice counter left there by Donaire. Another counter there. Donaire working well. Oh, look out! Darginian down for the first time. Struggling to get to his feet. In terrible shape. It's up.
Raymond GABALLO already loading up on his punches. Yuya Nakamura shaky, knocked down in the first round.
Guys, kumbaga yung piron sa boxing catcher.
Oh, another knockdown.
Both hands ni GABALLO.
Oh, another hot landing.
He should stop it.
Left hand to the body by Donaire, scores. That one is blocked. Nishioka steps into the combination.
And this is what Nishioka starts to do around.
Oh, down goes Nishioka with a counter shot. Coming into this fight, he's been down 3 times in his career, down twice, and now the referee steps in and stops it.
His opponent barely throwing any punches here. Natatakot na eh, binababa niya yung gloves niya eh.
Wala na ito. Wala na. Tapos na sa first round. Wala na. Sama na.
This is a round judges should score 10-8.
But it may be a move.
And he's hurt again. He got hurt again.
Big right hand, right hand. Left hook, right hand.
He's got it all. You know, as we said, stop trying. But he said maybe he stopped believing. Hand by Well, he's seen that's the punch that actually hurt him, so that he's going to the right hand right now. Kind of stopped himself right there. Oh,
Drives the Ukrainian.
I think that's enough. That is enough, folks. That's it. That's it.
Now
That's enough.
blood
That's enough.
spewing from his
That's
mouth.
enough.
Nonito Donaire.
Tito, parang Tito.
Yeah.
Tito Trinidad. Felix Tito Trinidad. Ito for a moment fighters of Puerto Rico. Felix Trinidad. Nandito po sa
Right down. Beautiful left uppercut.
beautiful left. It is down. Marquez is down. Kaya pa ba ni Tyson? Oh.
Si Bedak.
May kanan.
Oh, big left hook. Yeah, he's down again.
Down
Another
again.
left hook. Oh, he's wobbly. At mukhang duguan na ang mukha ni Bedak.
He's just toying with this guy.
Bedak trying to cover up. And another knockdown. Look at that. Dugo na.
Bloody.
And he's stopping the fight.
With my left hook. It wasn't.
It's the hardest to fight because of style.
Good left hook by Donaire. That one hurt D'Artagnan. And followed by the left hook again.
Oh, good uppercut by the. Oh, there you go.
Down goes D'Artagnan. Set up another left hook. Oh, it's a thunderous right cross. And a left hook. And an uppercut. And Lawrence goes and it stops the fight.
Montiel getting a little rhythm here in round number 2. Countered after Donaire missed with a wild right.
Good right. Oh, there you go. Out of there. It's over with. It's over with. That is done.
Sergio Martinez. And Russell Moore's going to let it continue. Now he stops it. You have company.
also Kendall. Oh, there's a big counter shot. Young an old man.
Right.
Hitter has certainly been throwing quite a bit of thunder. There's a nice combination to be able to evade. And there's a back up dunk. Down goes Young on a thunderous left hook.
And that is the vaulted power that we're talking about. Nonito Donaire at this weight.
Donaire's counter-punching skill. And there you saw the left hook upstairs, and there goes Arce to the canvas on a quick.
It happen or not, and he's trying to pay the guy back, and that's dangerous. Couldn't believe that Taki comeback back.
Well, our fans seem to want a fifth fight, and here's Donaire looking for the knockout, and Arce's down again. Second knockdown of the fight for Nonito Donaire.
And get to the end of this round.
Good right hand by Donaire, and another left uppercut. And down goes Arce on a brilliant left hook, and that.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko.
Да, и Убарин нужно будет... Серия ударов. Нокдаун. Пожалуйста, третий нокдаун в бою. И это, пожалуй...
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.